Here's how you can change the double press of your home button function, the one with the orange highlight on the inside, on your Galaxy Watch 7. Double pressing that button will allow you to access a specific feature. I'll show you where you can go to access that feature. While on the clock face, go ahead and swipe down like this here, and you'll see the settings icon. As you tap on that, you'll be taken to the main settings of your Watch 7 and just go down until you see the buttons and gestures section. Once here now, you'll see the home button area, which is again the one with the orange highlight, and you'll see the double press function. As I enter here, you will be able to choose from one of these features here. If you start from the top, and you can just go down and select one. So for example, if I selected the calculator here now and I go ahead and double press this button, 1, 2, it's going to take me to the calculator instantly, and you can change it to whatever apps or features are available to instantly access a function. Like